We're on the moon. I can't jump. We just landed. Here.
Good morning, Worrywart Adventures. We're here riding the Mountaineers of Iceland bus to our destination to go snowmobiling today. So join us, and hey, while you're at it, go ahead and hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these adventures. I'm getting bundled up here. There we go.
Get one of these, take the hat off and put this down to the neck when you bring it over the head.
Oh, okay.
So it goes on like a balaclava.
Thank you. Over the head.
Alright.
Alright, let's see you do this. Alright, hats off.
And you pull it over the head.
Oh, okay. Alright. And put the hat back on. No.
Pull this over here.
There you go. Oh, like a little turtle. Here I am. Where's Irene? Here she is. Oh, no. Okay. All right. Ground control to Major. I'm ready. There you go. What a ride. A couple people fell over, but we didn't because Linda was we weren't so slow. She was steady though. Linda, let me get a picture.
Alright, hold on, I'm just getting a 360. Wow.
Alright.
Alright, no, the camera is not broken. That's actually, that's view.
So these gals right here fell over. So they were routing us around them, and Sandy ran right into them.
Oh my gosh.
So anyway, Sandy's like 2 bikes over.
Okay.
Or snowmobiles. But she's walking around here somewhere. Did she actually hit one of these young ladies? No, she hit their snowmobile. Hey, did she hit their snowmobile in the back? Someone hit. Oh, yeah, my friend. Oh,
Jump. Let's all jump out there. Maybe we'll crack the glacier.
Oh my god.